How to get new app users on Temu. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up your Temu application and make sure that you are logged in with it with a Gmail account that you have never used. So right here you can spin this wheel to win some of the exclusive deals. If not, in the home page you have to go ahead and tap on the section where it says You. Tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Here you'll find various of options. Just go ahead and select any. Here I've selected to purchase 5 free gifts. Then you will have all of these options for you. You just have to go ahead and tap on it. Now right here I have 4 more chances to buy any gift for free. And yes, absolutely $0. So you can go ahead and try out this scheme as well. Then once you have picked up all the items, just go ahead and tap on Pick This. Then you have to enter your address detail. And just like that, you'll be able to win all of these gift items for absolutely free. If you do not have this feature, make sure that you are logged into your Temu application with a Gmail address or the phone number that has never been used on Temu. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.